Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
This guide explains why you might delete an audience in Facebook Ads Manager today. Deleting an audience stops all future delivery to that custom or saved audience. You should delete audiences to avoid overlap and wasted ad spend and to keep your asset library organized. Confirm deletion because recovery is not available after you delete an audience. Think about pausing campaigns first if you need a temporary stop. Use this context to decide whether deletion or archiving best fits your workflow. Start by opening Ads Manager and navigating to the Audiences tab from the main menu. Filter by type or search by name to find the exact audience you want to remove. Click the checkbox next to the audience, then choose Delete from the Actions menu to permanently remove that audience. Confirm the deletion when prompted to complete the action. Note that paused campaigns and ad sets remain in your account, but will no longer target the deleted audience. Before deleting, export audience details or save a screenshot if you may need lookup data later. Consider renaming or archiving audiences when you want to preserve history without active targeting. Use granular naming conventions to avoid accidental deletes and to improve future management. Verify your account role before deletion, because only users with advertiser or higher permissions can delete audiences in most business settings. Finally, audit regularly to remove unused audiences and to limit duplicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.